You want to start a YouTube channel, but you don't want to show your face, use your voice, or edit videos for hours? Perfect. Let me show you how lazy people like me are using just 2 free AI tools to make full YouTube videos in under 30 minutes. First, head over to ChatGPT. Tell it what kind of video you want. For example, write a 20-second YouTube script about fitness motivation. Boom! It gives you a full video script in seconds. Copy it, maybe tweak a line or two if you're feeling fancy. Done. Next, go to Pictory.ai. Paste that script. Now the magic begins. Pictory will generate a voiceover for you. Yep, it talks for you. Then it automatically creates a video with visuals, captions, and smooth transitions. No editing, no voice recording, no problem. You just click and let the AI work. You can swap in your own AI images, video clips, or B-roll from sites like Pexels or Canva. But honestly, Pictory gives you a finished video even if you do nothing extra.
No excuses, just effort. Your comfort zone will never grow muscle. Every drop of sweat is progress. Pain is temporary. Pride is forever. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. Get up. Show up. Don't give up.
It's that simple. If this video helped, smash the subscribe button like your ex smashed your feelings. Next up, I'm showing you how to make AI-powered thumbnails so good, people will click without even thinking.